Hello. In this video, we're going to look at composite functions. If f and g are functions, then the composite function or composition of f and g is defined by the following. F composed of g of x is equal to f of g of x. Now, this is a little bit different from multiplication. Notice that there is this kind of a circle symbol. That means composition. And what this is telling me is that the f function, its x is replaced with the entire g of x. And a lot of people have trouble remembering which one goes where. It's written in the order in which it appears here. So if f is first here, then f is first here. And then g of x is the inside. Excellent. Now let's look at this. Let f of x equal 2x squared minus 3 and g of x equal negative x plus 3. We want to find the following. F composed of g of 2. Well, to find f composed of g of 2, we have to look at a couple of things. First of all, we need to realize that this simply means f of g of 2. So the f function is going to be replaced with whatever g of 2 is. But really, to do this, we always want to work from the inside out. So inside the parentheses here, notice we want to figure out what is g of 2. In other words, the first thing we want to do is go back to the g function, and all the x's in the g function are replaced with that 2. So this is going to give me f of whatever g of 2 is. That gives me, in this case, negative parentheses, excuse me, I need to use a different color. So negative parentheses 2 plus 3. And then still simplify. Negative 2 plus 3 is just 1. So this is really telling me I want to figure out what is f of 1. Which means I need to go back to the f function, and these x's in the f function are going to be replaced with that 1. Doing so gives me 2 parentheses 1 close parentheses squared minus 3. And then simplify. 1 squared is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So that's telling me that f composed of g of 2 is equal to negative 1. Alright, I do want to talk a couple of things about how we write down the math. First of all, it's always equal sign per line, good. But as we go along, anytime you use a function, in other words, anytime you replace an x in a function with something, replace that entire thing. In other words, I don't have a g here anymore, but I still have an f because I haven't done anything for the f function. As soon as I get to this 1 and I replaced it in here, at the very next line, the f is gone. So at that point, I'm just left with a bunch of numbers, and I simplify. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this particular video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.